Hello everyone. Yeah, Beth and I are in our kitchen. She's kind of getting stuff together to do the dishes and kind of clean up house here a little bit in our kitchen. But we got a little bit different purpose for this video. As you can see, our beans here. And the bag here is plumb full of beans. And our basket has still got quite a bit in. What we're doing this Sunday morning is giving some beans to our neighbors. Andor already, after he took Pa in order to catch a V hire and that, head back towards Mindanao and taking a boat out of Hagna here on the east coast of Bohol. He just took a bag full of beans to Felix and their family, and they are right across the road back up the hill from us, and probably the first neighbors that we met here and have worked with here. Another bag of beans is going to Beto's father, and that lives basically at one end. The road splits as it goes down the hill here, and at the end of the road is Beto's father, and then Beto and his wife Maritess and their kids, and we're going to send a bag down to them. We also got other friends of Beth's here, Jovy and her husband and 2 kids, and we're going to bag up some more beans here
so many.
and give it to them. It's just our Sunday well wishes to our neighbors, and I don't know if we'll ever reach the point where we take them to the market and try to sell them. We'll have to see on down the line. Right now, it's just going to be a gift to our neighbors and didn't can any of these beans that we just picked. I don't want to use the quart jars anymore because I've got so few left, and I want to really make up some stew and soups and can those in the quart jars. So I ordered from Lazada 2 cases of ball pint jars, and we're going to use them. They should be arriving next week sometime, and we're going to use them in order to do some more canning of beans because we've got a whole lot of production left. So our Sunday well wishes to everybody that's viewing our videos here and just thanks so much for viewing. We've spent so much time the last month and January here getting switched over to a new YouTube channel and reopening Beth's YouTube channel, and it's been a lot of work. We've spent a lot of hours and up a lot of times in the middle of the night because it's the only time we can upload videos here. And we just, our appreciation for all of our viewers. We just really love you all and try to keep you informed of our daily life here and how we've adjusted to the Philippine culture, and also how we're trying to be organic in our farming and raise a lot of the vegetables and produce that's raised in the States and Australia and that. So thanks for viewing. Definitely come back for more, and we'll be back with you probably shortly. So I'll best say goodbye there.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
I'm in the back again taking the video, so goodbye for now.